Welcome to my cooking channel, Fiddler in the Kitchen. I love creating beautiful things. I'm a violinist and I love to cook. I'm the fiddler in the kitchen. Happy memories of my childhood. I just loved the little red oven. Happiness was waiting next to the little red oven after watching my mom preparing the yummy pastries. Comfort of being at home on Sundays, that little red oven and my mom's magical touch. I followed those beautiful aromas and found myself enjoying cooking and baking, and of course playing. I would like to share them with you. The Moonlight Sonata is my favorite piece of music, and you will be listening the Moonlight Sonata played by me on the violin and accompanied on the piano by my husband. I hope you like my creations. Today I will be making pizza in our lovely wood-fired oven. I just love wood fire and I'm very excited to cook many things in the wood-fired oven. For the pizza dough, we will need 2 tablespoons instant yeast, 500 milliliters of lukewarm water, 4 teaspoons of salt, 6 tablespoons olive oil, 800 grams of strong flour. To make the dough, we will be mixing all the ingredients in a mixer bowl. I have used my KitchenAid and the dough maker attachment. I turned on the machine and it kneaded for about 5-6 minutes. After that, it's all about waiting for it to rise. It took about 1.5 to 2 hours for it to become tripled in size. toppings are my family's favorites, and of course you can add different variety to your own. Since this is my first YouTube video, I wanted to show my living space to you a bit. So I love the alfresco area, which is joining to the backyard. I've got little pots of vegetables. I started with one pot and then it became 2 and 3. So love using the ingredients from the little veggie patch. This is my alfresco area. Generally, it is very warm at night in summer, so this is where we spend our evenings. We have breakfast, lunch and dinner here. I have little corners of oriental stuff, Turkish ornaments and all that. This makes about 8 medium-sized pizzas. It takes only about 3 minutes for the pizza to cook, and it smells so good at the moment. I love the alfresco at night with beautiful lights, and I love the candle lights, of course. Now it's time to sit back and enjoy the fire. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel to see more videos. See you next time.